What's up, Kelly? What's up, Kelly? What's up, Kelly? Did the weather says it'll be strong winds tonight? What's up, Kelly? It's going to be terrible weather. It's going to be terrible weather on Friday. It'll be terrible weather on Thursday. It'll be raining. So what's up, Kelly? So welcome back to my channel. Wait, Kelly. So me, it's Brady. I'm Brady and Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. So wait, Kelly. So welcome back to my channel. Wait, Kelly. So good evening. So wait, Kelly. So welcome back to my channel. We'll cook some. We'll dance in Monday and Tuesday. So wait, Kelly. So welcome back to my channel. Mom's going to pick me up on Wednesday. Tuesday. Mama can put me up. Mom is taking me back to school because I got to work to do by yes.